After your education, when it comes to work or earnings, then there are only three choices for you to choose from. 1. Start your own business if you have money to invest. Second, get a job if you do not have much money to invest for business. Then your third choice might be get a job, then save some money and then start a business. Personally, we recommend business over job. So in today's video, we are going to give you reasons why your own business is better than job and how to start your own business. Now let's compare these two options for living. So below is the job versus business comparison. Most importantly, there is no limit on money. You may earn 10 times more than a salaried person. Secondly, there are no time restrictions in business. While in a job, you have to fix yourself in the fixed time interval set by your employer. Usually that is of 8 hours. But in your own business, there are no restrictions for you. Thirdly, be your own boss. In your own business, you can go beyond the limits and rules to make your business successful. Next, you do not have to retire. In the job, you have to retire from your work after time decided by the company. If you have a job, then what will be the source of your income after your retirement? That is the point to think about. But in business, you don't have to think about these type of things because in your own business, it's up to you if you want to retire or not. So this is also an important reason why own business is better than job. You can make your own identity. When you tell anyone that you have your own business, then it makes a good impression of you on others. Finally, you will get your goals. In business, you will learn new things of different types. In business, you have to look over every department of the company. You have more than one responsibilities which make you more active than others. As a businessman, you will meet other ambitious people in the world which makes you more ambitious that will help you in achieving your goals. So, these are some of the reasons describing why you own business is better than having a job. We have discussed that in business you are your own boss. There are your own rules. There will be no one to ask questions. You can be known all over the world with the power of your brand. Every business starts with an idea. Whether you have an idea for a great new product or a service that will revolutionize an industry, your inspiration is a great start. But how are you going to bring your idea to life? Building a successful business takes more than a great idea and a vision. It takes planning, discipline, research, and a whole lot of money. Before you can get funding, there are several steps to make sure your idea is solid and marketable. While it's true that not all startups will make it, you don't want to set yourself up to fail. If you have a great idea but no funding yet, here are 5 steps you will need to take on road to wooing investors. The step 1 is finding a mentor and ask for advice. When you ask for money, people will automatically be skeptical and want proof that your idea is viable. But is it really? Have you gotten the objective opinion of someone who has been in your shoes? Finding a mentor is an important step in the entrepreneur's journey, and a good, experienced mentor will give you the honest truth about your concept. After all, you don't want to waste your time on a bad idea. There's always another opportunity around the corner. In my opinion, you have to ask. Secondly, perform market research. Finding your target market might be the most challenging step of making an idea into a business, but it's one of the most important. Your second step is doing market research, and this process should begin by asking yourself a couple of questions. Who are you targeting with your product or service, like age, gender, education level, and other traits? Secondly, are people interested in your product? Many entrepreneurs waste a lot of time, resources on their idea only to find no one wants to buy. Writing a business plan may seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be as long as it contains the most important components such as your target market, product information, financial plan, and the metrics you will use. Next, registration with micro, small, and medium enterprises. Government has organized a full system of facilitation for registration process. Log on to the link given in the description box. A permanent registration number will be given after registration. After completion of the process of registration, a certificate will be issued online. This certificate will have a dynamic QR code from which the web page on our portal and the details about the enterprise can be accessed. Registration process is totally free. No cost or fees are to be paid to anyone. Documents required are only PAN and Aadhaar. There are a number of ways to generate funding, but here I feature about small business loans offered by banks. A collateral-free automatic loan for MSMEs has been declared by the central government as a Make in India initiative, which will give facility up to 3 lakh crore, which will have 100% credit guarantee and no fresh collateral is required. The tenure will be 4 years. The scheme can be availed till 31st of October 2020 with no guarantee fee and no fixed collateral. So now a bonus tip. Normally loans repay back time will start on the next month from the starting date. But these kind of loans have a choice of moratorium in which you can pay back after 12 months from the start date. I hope you found this video useful. Do let me know how you find it in the comment section below. And see you next time in my next video. Bye bye. Happy entrepreneuring!